everybody, welcome back to Jimmy's promo. Today is June 16th and I wanted to hit you with a second video because Samsung just started pushing out the brand new Samsung Wallet update. Now this is something that's been talked about for the last 4 months. Essentially, it's Samsung merging Samsung Pay and Samsung Pass along with much more that you're able to do all in one joint. So basically what you're able to do is you're able to go into your Samsung Wallet from Samsung Pass. Now because it started rolling out today, some devices can open it fully and some devices, there's some things working and some things not. So I don't really think it's a full launch just yet, but there will be many updates. So as example, this is what it'll look like right over here. You have a quick access area of your digital assets, your promotions cards, your credit cards, airline boarding passes, your digital assets, things like that. So here's another view of everything. It's kind of a better view of what really is going on here. So you have your payment cards, really pretty much from Samsung Pay. You have your membership cards, gift cards that are coming from your Samsung Pass. You have your digital keys, which will work with multiple vehicles. So they definitely do work with BMW and a few others, which you'll see here in a second. And then you also have the health pass, which will probably include your COVID vaccination card, boarding passes, which I think right off the bat will work with Korean Air, not of the other United States airlines just yet, but I'm sure that those will simply be added. And then also your digital assets. You can also add in your transit card, and then you can be able to take a look at your perks. There's a quick access, but this is the full menu. And then right here, you can take a look at what it looks like with digital assets. So not only is it merging your Samsung Pay and Samsung Pass, but also the Samsung blockchain wallet, which I do have this one downloaded on my phone. So they're really kind of merging these three apps into one. And then this is also where you can store your boarding passes as well. So when you take a look over here on the Galaxy S22 Ultra, I hit on continue and then it'll say that it just doesn't really work. And so for some reason, I don't really know what is going on, but what's going to happen is let's say that you go inside of your Samsung folder and you take a look at Samsung Pass. Now, once you open up Samsung Pass, you will not be able to log in with your face recognition. It is a little bit better of biometrics for your fingerprint. So because it is a higher security measure, that's how you're able to get into Samsung Pass. And from before, Samsung Pass has always worked with your application. So your login information for applications, your email, passwords, same thing with your websites. There's some that you can manually add in. Some of your private info, so you can save some of your cards right here if you wanted to add some in. I can also import some of my cards if I wanted to as well. And then down over here, you have the addresses and notes. So if you have notes, addresses, things like that, everything is kind of stored in here. And then it's kind of basically moving over to the full Samsung Wallet. Now, how I was able to see Samsung Wallet from Samsung Pass here was clicking on digital keys. And this is where it came up with this menu here. Do more with your phone. Pay anywhere, unlock doors, start your car, show your boarding pass. No need to memorize your passwords. Use your fingerprint to verify payments and sign into apps and websites. Your data is secure. Your Galaxy phone is secured by Knox, so your data is or safe even if you lose your phone. And because it's all with blockchain, you're going to have all that built in there as well too. Now, the thing that is really weird is if we take a look over inside of my settings for the S22 Ultra and we take a look at my Samsung Pass, I'm going to do the exact same thing over here, but on the Galaxy Z Fold 3, it actually does work, and I can take a look at a few things that's part of Samsung Wallet. So we're going to go inside of Samsung Pass here. I'm going to show you that I can go inside of my digital keys, and when I tap here, it's going to show me some of these supported brands. So for some reason, BMW is not there, but Genesis, Kia, and Hyundai is. Now, if I do head back over in the very top, go inside of settings, we're going to scroll down, take a look at the Samsung Pass. You can see that they're both the very latest version. They're the same, 40022. So you can also take a look at this for yourself as well if your Samsung Pass is the latest version, which is 40022. So if you look for the APK mirror to get the latest one downloaded, this is the one that you are looking for. Now, if we want to take a look at this one inside of the Galaxy Store, so we're going to go inside of the Galaxy Store here, app details in store. I'm going to do the same thing over here. Just make sure, again, that they are both, at their latest update. And if they are, they would just say open. If they were not the latest update, then it would say update right there. So if we scroll down, you can see, let's see here, this one was updated June 13th. let's see, June 13th, but they weren't really rolled out until today, June 16th. So for some reason, again, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 was able to go inside of it. The Galaxy S22 Ultra was not able to. So when are they going to really merge this full name? So you can see I got my blockchain wallet there, Samsung Pass there, Samsung Pay there. I really would love to see if this one would just say Samsung Wallet itself, but it's going to be inside of Samsung Pass. So once you go back inside of Samsung Pass, this is where you would basically be able to see everything, but I showed you screenshots of what it will look like when it's fully launched and fully on all the devices. But for some reason, the Z Fold 3, I am able to take a look at some supported brands. The S22 Ultra, I am not able to. So even though I can't really fully show you every single thing that I would love to show you, this is going to be the next best option, which is screenshots of the final results. So this is a heads up to take a look at your phone, take a look inside the Galaxy store, see if you have the Samsung Pass update, see if you can get as far as I could on the Galaxy Z Fold 3, and start writing some comments when it does come out fully, so this way I can take a look at it and then make another video, a full deep dive into everything that we can see here, see how easy and quick it is to actually get everything merged in. Because if you go inside of Samsung Pass, let's see that we go back in, you will be able to see inside of the settings up over here that you might be able to, add things, see which devices has Samsung Pass. And so if there's a bunch of other devices that you don't want to be logged in, you can actually go through here and then you can also remove it if you wanted to. I already removed it. I only have it on 2 devices now. But again, you'll be able to see and download and erase your personal data. You can, the My Payments method, so you can see all of your different payment methods. You can import data. So my guess is once Samsung Wallet comes out, you'll see this option here for import data to bring everything. And you also have export data to a phone, autofill with Samsung keyboard if you wanted that to be turned on. Even though you have the face, it just won't do it, for Samsung Pass. Fingerprints is the higher standard here. And then also here's your account and syncing if you want to get that stuff going as well. You can read a bunch of stuff with the notices. So here on 6/8, it says Samsung Pass is about to get even better. So basically they're teasing us, and then they did the update on the 13th, and then now the 16th is today, and they're starting to push it out because you can see that I have them both here on these 2 devices, one not fully running. This one I can get a little bit further, but still not the full finished product. But hopefully you guys appreciated this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe on the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.